This is a 2019 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited. This is one of Harley Davidson's premier touring bikes. The color of this 29 Ultra Limited is vivid black. The paint is in excellent condition. There's no chips, no scratches, no scuffs. You can see yourself in it. Just a very excellent paint job, and black is hard to make look good. This bike is built for the highway, for you and your passengers' safety and comfort. Being equipped with a 114 cubic inch engine, you'll have plenty of horsepower, plenty of torque to cruise the highways, to pull out the pass, to cruise over the hills easily. Nice, big, comfortable seat that's in like new condition. Very comfortable for your passenger. Being a limited model, it has the security system with the 2 fobs. Also comes with heated grips, cruise control of course. Nice painted inner fairing. It has the new GTS boom stereo. It has a bigger screen, better color. It loads up very, very fast. Has the GPS in it. This beautiful 2019 Vivid Black Ultra Limited has only 5,826 original miles on the odometer. It has a fresh service. It is ready for your next road trip. It has the redesigned fairing for better aerodynamics. Also has the vent in the front of it, which helps reduce buffeting not only on the rider, but it helps with the passenger. Nice LED headlight, LED driving lights, LED fender tip light. So you have a lot of visibility on the highway to help keep you safe. LED lights on the tour pack. ABS brakes. Nice contrast cut wheels. This bike is just in excellent condition. No swirls in the paint. It's very hard to keep black on a motorcycle looking good, but this bike has been well cared for and is in excellent condition. It does have the Milwaukee 8 engine with the liquid cooling into the heads. Help it run a little cooler for you. 6-speed transmission with the overdrive in it. Premium luggage rack on the back. This bike will hold a lot of gear and your passenger. market for a new touring bike, take a good look at this 2019 Ultra Limited. It has the 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine for plenty of horsepower and torque, low mileage, fresh service, ready for the highway. You can save yourself thousands of dollars off of MSRP on a new one if you can find a new one. Don't get stuck paying all the freight charges and prep charges and setup charges and title dock fees. Our prices are out the door. We don't charge all the mystery fees. For information on how to put this beautiful 2019 Ultra Limited in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com.